Okay, let's have a look at how to use BuzzRep itself. And fair warning, this may be one of the quickest tutorials I've ever done. First of all, let's head over to LinkedIn. And all I'm going to do is scroll down my feed to find a post that I'm interested in replying to. Let's see what we've got down here. Okay, this looks interesting. That's a nice little one about AI and AI videos. And all I'm going to do is click on comment. And you see it pops up with a choice of different styles of comments that I can make. I'm going to go with questioning. So I'll click the questioning button, let the AI write the comment. Now, obviously this is AI generated in that particular tone, but I can make any changes I want to that. And then all I do is click on comment and we're done. It's that quick. You can see my comment below. So you scroll through your feed, you look for something that you want to reply on, someone who's got a similar audience to you, someone who when you actually reply on their content, you're likely to pick up new subscribers from their audience. So I've just refreshed the page. I didn't have a lot of things showing. Let me see if I can find something else. Here's one from Stephen Bartlett. So again, I'll simply click on comment. It pops up with my different tones. I'm going to go with friendly, click the button, wait for the AI to write the comment for me, make any changes I want to, click on comment. It's really that quick and easy. Now let's head over to X and show you how to do the same thing there. Okay, so here I am on my X feed, and again, all we do is scroll down till we find a post that is relevant to our audience, the audience that we want to build. We want to tap into other people's audiences that have a similar interest. So this is from Sam Altman, and it's about AI. So I'm going to click on this post, and you can see I've got the option to reply here, and it's given me all the different tones, and I'm simply going to go with appreciative, click the button, and wait for the AI to actually write my reply for me. Again, you can make any changes you want to. Once you're happy, it's okay. Click on reply. So that's my reply done. Let's go back to the thread. I'll keep scrolling till I find something else that I want to reply on. What do we got next? Oh, another one that's related to crypto from Alex Becker. So again, I'm just going to click on the post, and this time I'm going to go with supportive. So once you click on the supportive button, sometimes you need to click twice, but once you have, it just takes a moment to write out the AI reply for you. Again, change it if you want to. Click on reply. That's now posted my reply for me. Let's go back to the thread, keep scrolling till we find something else that we want to reply on. You see the process here, and it is so quick. So here's another one that I might want to reply to. Let's click on the post. We've got our different tones. Let's go with informative because he's actually asking a question. Give it a moment or two, and here we go. We've got an answer. It's quite a long one once it's written. Obviously, you can change it to correct it if you need to. Click on reply. That posts our reply underneath. Back to our feed. You can see how easy and quick it is. I mean, I've just done 4 replies in a matter of moments. Okay, let's head across to Facebook and look at it there. So same thing again here. I'm on my feed, I'm scrolling through, I find a post that is relevant, that has the same audience as mine, has the same sort of following, and I want to generate some traffic to my own channel, to my own Facebook page, whatever it is. I want to comment on something that is popular and got lots of likes. So all I do is find the post I want, click on comment, it brings it up, and let's go with enthusiastic for this one. Click on the enthusiastic button, give the AI a moment or two, and there we go. It's come up with a reasonable reply for me. Again, if I'm not happy, change it, type over it, whatever I want, but that's all it needs to be. Click on comment, we're done. Let's close that down, keep scrolling till we find another one that we need to comment on. So the post here from Simon Harris. So let's go down to the comment, and this time I'm going to go with encouraging again. Let it write out the encouraging reply for me. Hit post or comment, and it's done. Move on, keep scrolling, find the next one. That's all that is to it. It's really quick and easy to go through and reply to whichever posts suit your audience. Remember, that's the important bit. What you're trying to do is get people over to your pages, your channel, your X account, your LinkedIn profile, all of those things. So comment on posts that have audiences that are relevant to your audience. That's all you need to do. Really quick and easy. There we go. That's how easy it is to use. That's BuzzRep. Get it loaded up and start commenting quickly and easily using that AI now with BuzzRep.